Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we will be carrying on with the trading challenge, which is pretty interesting because, as I said, it's putting me into discipline of taking the trades every single time and sharing the journey with you. However, today, guys, we have a incredible indicator that I want to show you all of you today that I will be now on using for my trading challenge and my technical analysis videos. And it is crazy. It predicts like it doesn't, obviously nothing is perfect, right? You can't say anything predicts the market. I can't predict the market for sure, and nothing in this video is financial advice, by the way. Do your own research. But it's pretty accurate. I mean, I looked at previous times that this indicator was being used, and it's actually pretty awesome. It's pretty much done its job very well. And it's this indicator I will show you now and blow your mind. Are you ready for this? A three, two, one, and boom! It's called Market Spotter, and it's basically three different indicators that comes in with the package. And you can purchase this, by the way. I'll tell you guys about it later, but it's it's unbelievable. So it comes with three different indicators. Okay, so the first one you get is the Market Spotter V1, and the owner creator of this indicator is my close friend CryptoJack and Bitcoin Blueprint. Now, you guys probably know CryptoJack. He's got like 200K on YouTube, and he's pretty famous on Instagram as well. So I said, you know what? I'll promote it for you on my channel. I'd love to because it is a brilliant indicator, and I have my own referral link down below in the description. Make sure to click it if you want to purchase it because you'll get a 15% discount. And you'll need to use after you press my link, you'll need to use FE15, which is in the description as well, to get the 15% discount. So without further ado, let's look at what is going on in the charts right now. So the last time, let me move my camera out of the way and let's make this full screen. There we go. Brilliant. I'm not sure if it's is it good? Yeah, I think it's cool. I think it's cool. So let's carry on. So as I was saying, the last time we were doing our TA, well, basically it wasn't the we had this symmetrical triangle, and this symmetrical triangle basically could have broken to the upside or to the downside. I'm going to switch these off for a second and I will get back to them very soon. So we were doing a trade, which we are up actually $104 on with our initial starting of $500. That was our initial starting capital. So that's amazing. However, a few things happened. It was the weekend. And what does it mean, it being the weekend? Well, there's very, very low volume in all of the markets. And that's because people go home and they spend time with their families, and they enjoy themselves. So they don't have time to trade. That's why you can see there was massive volume here, but then throughout the weekend, the volume dropped, which is not great, of course. So that's why it was a bad time to take the trade, because for this to break out and hit this target of almost $35,000. Well, I moved it down later on because I thought that this would be a more realistic target at $33,750. But we just simply didn't have the volume to break all the way there. We did break out. And in fact, we were up around $250 at this point. But I didn't want to stop the trade until I made the video. And then boom, bearish engulfing, and then we went down again. There was this smaller symmetrical triangle, which was very profitable if you had higher capital and of course more leverage, which I could have taken, but I didn't, annoyingly. And then we had this downward moving bearish flag, which also broke to the upside. So now that we are caught up on everything, let's plan our next move. So let's have a look into the daily chart real quick and see where we are in the daily chart. Now, I want to talk to you guys about the S&P as well, because the SPX, let's have a look, SPX. It had a very nice on the weekly a very nice, oh, look at this, a very nice, we call this a hammer candle if you guys don't know already. And it suggests imminent reversal. And look at this. This is where I want to show you guys Market Spotter and the power of Market Spotter. And I'm going to be making a lot more videos with this, and you will see just how OP it is. So I want to show this. So first of all, the V1 suggests the trend's momentum strength. So basically, when there is a red arrow, very at the top with a red triangle, then it means a strong sell. Okay, and it's then at the top of the chart with a V2, you have caution sell, caution buy, strong buy, strong sell as well. These all correlate with each other. And this one, they've got the EMA ribbons, which then flip. For example, if it's a gray zone, then it's not a good time to trade. If it's green, then the strength, the trend is still going up. And if it turns into red, then the trend is going down. And we'll look at some more examples later on. And I'll probably do a dedicated video on Market Spotter anyways. And then V3, V3 is amazing because it gives you support and resistance lines, previous support and resistance lines. Oh, look at how accurate it was. Like, it's unbelievably accurate as well. And you can play around with the settings, change the colors, do whatever you like. And now I'm going to show you something crazy. Okay, I'm going to go to a time where it gave the S&P gave a very strong buy. And that's all the way here, guys. Look at this. I think this was, when was this? This was in 2008. So in the 2008 financial crisis, no, 2009, it gave a strong buy signal. Like, that is unbelievable. Now watch how much percent returns you would have made if you had followed this. Well, obviously this wasn't out back then, but for the future, like the strong buy, also you had a buy here, strong buy on V2. So this is also a pretty good one because you can trade more with this, and this also has caution sells and caution buys too. So look at this, guys. You would have made on the S&P with no leverage 621% if you would have followed this. So obviously in the crypto markets, because of the increased volatility, this will occur a lot more time. So as I was saying, I think it was on the daily now that yes. So this is the crazy thing I want to show you guys. So on the S&P, okay, we have a strong buy. Again, the first time in a long time, which came out in the COVID crash. So that's unbelievable. And look, if we just go back to the daily onto here, it was right at the bottom. And you could have made at the top, of course, 117% again on the S&P, which is not as volatile as the crypto market. So that is what I wanted to show you guys. And now, for the first time in so long, along with this bullish hammer candle, we have a strong buy. And look, immediately after the hammer candle, and my chart is being very annoying, guys. Immediately after the hammer candle and this strong buy signal, we had a huge bounce. Now, this is more of a dead cat bounce because we've been falling for a long time. And look at this caution sell, guys. Complete plummet. And this resistance. Like, I'm telling you guys, this indicator is amazing. And boom, I think after we break this EMA ribbon, we will be able to go back up again. Also, check out my podcast with Victor from Cypher Capital, which is now over 1.7K views. And it's gone completely viral because we've even got more views than his interview with I think it was the founder of HBAR. So that's unbelievable. And we talked about my background, how I got into crypto, and there's some very, 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 very key valuable alpha in that video as well. And I put the link in the description for that too. And remember, if you want to use these indicators, go to marketspotter.io. No, sorry, go to my link. Okay, you need to go to my link because it won't work if you go to marketspotter.io. You need to go to my link and use the code. If you use the code at marketspotter at checkout, it won't work. You need to use my link. So that is what I wanted to show you guys, and follow me on all of my socials, of course, as always. So this is very, very bullish for the S&P. Incredibly, incredibly bullish. So yeah, the S&P is looking bullish. And as we know, Bitcoin and the S&P is incredibly correlated, meaning that Bitcoin can bounce exponentially. That is what I believe can happen. Now, again, we're on the market spotter chart, and look at this resistance. Perfect. It's perfect. As soon as we broke it, and this is all done for you. Like, imagine how much time you spend drawing support and resistance line. This does it for you. And look at this break. We broke it and we've plummeted once more. And look at this caution sell. If you kept this caution sell and shorted, of course, you need to use this with other indicators as well to give you solid like RSI and whatever. I could use those later on, but I didn't want to cloud up my chart too much. You could have made a whopping unleveraged, if you were to short exactly on this candle. I think it was this candle. Um, let's have a look. Caution sell. Well, actually, you could have shorted using V1 at this candle right over here. I'll put it to the close so it's fair. And right now, if you kept it still going currently, you would have made 34% unleveraged. So there you go, guys. You can see how insane that is. Now, what is happening? Look at this. Just like the S&P, we've had the strong buy signal from V1, and that makes me very bullish because the last time we had it was right over here, which we then did so many percent gains as well. So, but on the technical pattern chart side of things, I do see this. Now, this is a big symmetrical triangle, a big one, a big symmetrical triangle. And if we break it, I will probably go huge long. That's what I'm thinking to do. And I'll put the take profit right, it's at the right place and at the support line. Well, now it's resistance, previous support line at $34,000, which will make us approximately, if I could add into this position. I'm not going to close my long position. I will add to my long position when we break it. So that's what I will do. That will give us 10%. Beautiful. And if we do leverage, of course, we can do here. This is a demo account, by the way, demo trading account that we're using. And I do the trades later on. Then yeah, on my Bybit account. So, well, not mine, my dad's, of course, and I just tell him to buy and sell because I'm 14. But anyway, so this we're up $91, and at the break, so at $31,200, I will add to this trade. So in the 4-hourly, let's see what's happening in the 4-hourly. So, market spotter fired a caution buy. So potentially, okay, this is not good because basically these are EMA ribbons, and when they cross, it means it's quite bearish. So it's bearish. Then you get the caution sell, and this actually shows the strength. The colors behind show the strength of the what do you call it? The trend. So red is very, very bearish. No, it's very strong. Actually, I need to look at the settings. Let's have a look at the settings. So the style is background color. Okay, I don't want to play with this because, yeah, I don't know. But I think it's red is the strength. It's the strongest, and then blue is the strongest, is the second strongest. I'm not sure. You can check out the site. They have the tutorials. I need to rewatch it again. But cool. Anyways, we fired a buy signal. And if we break this, as I said, we can probably test